Are all health metrics from fitness trackers evidence-based?
Fitness trackers have become hugely popular, providing users with a range of health and fitness statistics. But are all of these numbers truly based on solid scientific evidence? Let's dive into which common fitness tracker metrics are reliable and which may be more about marketing than medicine.
Steps and distance. Well-founded, but not perfect.
Step counts and distance measurements are among the most evidence-backed features of fitness trackers. These metrics are based on accelerometer data and systematic validation studies. However, accuracy can vary with walking style, terrain, and device placement. So while generally solid, the readings are estimates rather than exact counts.
Calories burned. More guesswork than science.
Calories burned is a metric often highlighted by fitness trackers, but its accuracy is limited. These calculations rely on generalized algorithms using your age, weight, and activity level. Scientific studies show these numbers can be off by 20 to 40%, making them better for rough tracking than precise measurement.
Heart rate monitoring, reliable with caveats.
Optical heart rate sensors, commonly found in fitness trackers, are well supported by research for monitoring resting and moderate activity heart rates. However, their readings can become less accurate during intense exercise or for people with darker skin tones due to sensor limitations. Still, for most users, they provide useful trend data.
Sleep stages. Promising, yet inconsistent.
Many trackers claim to detect light, deep, and REM sleep by analyzing movement and heart rate patterns. While these features are advancing, current consumer devices are not as accurate as clinical sleep studies. They can provide general insights, but don't rely on them for medical decisions or detailed sleep analysis.
Advanced stats. Approach with skepticism.
Some fitness trackers tout advanced health scores, stress measurements, or blood oxygen readings. These often lack strong independent validation and may not perform accurately across populations. Until more research backs them up, treat such statistics as interesting, but not definitive health insights.
The verdict. Use metrics mindfully.
Fitness trackers offer helpful motivation and basic insights, but not every metric is fully backed by scientific evidence. Use the core stats, like steps and heart rate, for general guidance, while treating calorie estimates, detailed sleep stages, and advanced biomarkers as approximate tools rather than concrete medical facts.